Alright, so we got a freshly Durasparked 300. Wiring harness came out of a fucking junkyard. Everything else was purchased new. Module to distributor to coil. I know it's a little bit jank how it's mounted in there. Anyways, we got her running. Here's all the old pieces. It's disorganized. The problem is that she sounds like she has spark knock or some sort of pre-ignition. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna start it up. Tell me what you think. Starts up easy. The tach isn't wired yet, so I don't know what she's running at, but doesn't sound like she's missing. Good old M3. So anyways, let me know what you think. Kind of stumped.